I'm Christina Swain with the Swain team of Keller Williams, here with our third video in our staging series today on our bedroom space. All bedrooms are a restful, common space for people. Proper use of the bedroom's floor plan will ensure that you net the highest price possible. The position of the furniture and the amount of furniture sets the tone the moment you walk in that bedroom door. Let's go over a basic checklist to help you prepare your bedrooms for the sale of your home. Is the bed in an ideal location? Is the bed covering dated or personal? Does the chest of drawers or armoire make the room feel crowded? Are there pillows or a throw on the bed? Is the lighting or ceiling fan functional? Are there water stains on the ceiling? Is the paint fresh and neutral? Does the floor coverings have stains? Is the closet cluttered or disorganized? A great rule of thumb with closets is 70% full. Next in our staging series, we're going to go over the master bedroom. If you're thinking about selling and want to net the most, reach out to me. Until next time, I'm Christina Swain with the Swain team of Keller Williams.